News, and the government of South Sudan is now calling upon the East African countries to address the issue of tax evasion through misdeclaration of cargo at the port of entry. The move is aimed at not only boosting revenues but also dealing with the theft of cargo on transit, leading to massive losses to traders and governments. Kevin Mutai reports from Mombasa.
The Commissioner General of the South Sudan Revenue Authority, Simon Akwe Deng, while in Mombasa, said that his government is introducing new customs infrastructure in order to deal with tax cheats robbing the country billions of dollars in revenue. This means that cargo destined for South Sudan will henceforth be invoiced at the port of Mombasa, the country's revenue agency calling on the member states to embrace harmonization of institutions such as the system integration in order to facilitate seamless trade operations. This action follows claims of cargo misdeclaration at the port of entry, which occurs through concealment and undervaluation of cargo during importation, hence leading to revenue losses.
We have to reduce fraud by invoicing from the first entry to the region. So that will actually reduce fraud. And third is also to remove issues of diversion of goods into the region. Because we don't have a system in Mombasa, one will use South Sudan name and vanish anywhere he wants.
By tapping into the East African customs, South Sudan also seeks to improve management and administration of taxes, calling for the political goodwill between member states so as to remove the bottlenecks affecting customs management in the region. The new system will also enable electronic tracking of cargo from the port of Mombasa to Juba, dealing a blow to unscrupulous traders involved in smuggling of goods on transit.
Our target this year is to ensure that South Sudan is able to automate its customs systems and is integrated into a single custom territory framework. And this is a system through which all our custom systems of the 6 countries communicate, and they share the data on a real-time basis.
Kenya Ports Authority has pledged continued support to the government of South Sudan in trade facilitation, particularly ensuring timely evacuation of cargo from the port of Mombasa. South Sudan cargo accounts for 12.7% of the total transit cargo through the port of Mombasa. Kevin Mutai, NTV in Mombasa.